Officer Gray with Promise Police Department. You got to come outside with me, okay? Yeah, they want you to leave the property. You okay? You alright? Because your eyes are a little loopy.
How are your eyes?
My eyes are fine. Is this how you normally are? Even
Yes.
been having anything to drink tonight?
I'm looking in your eyes directly.
Okay. And then I'm asking you, do you have anything to drink tonight?
No,
Okay. Alright, so we have to leave the property right now, okay?
I'm not going to do that.
Okay, so this is how it's going to go, right? I asked you twice now to leave, right?
Right.
You are being banned from the Garden State Plaza. If you don't leave, we're going to arrest you. Okay? So I'm going to give you one more shot. I'll give you 10 seconds to walk out with us,
Okay, so
or you're going to get arrested.
It's
Okay.
a ban from
Okay.
GSP.
Okay, here he is right now. So you want to turn and look?
Let me call my husband.
No. Turn
He's
and
a
look.
police officer.
Okay, call him. I would
Let
love
me
to
call
talk.
him.
I would love to talk to him right
Let's
now.
do that.
I would love to talk to him.
Is he here? Easy to understand.
Don't worry about that.
Okay, ma'am, look at him. He's going to ban you, okay? And can one of you guys come over here? Yeah. All right, you don't even know his phone number.
No, how about you
Okay.
get away from
Okay,
me?
wait, okay, right? You want to get banned?
I don't.
Here's
I
Garden State
pray
Plaza.
to God. I don't
All
want
right,
to
so
argue with you.
just say it out loud to her, and then you
I
want
don't
her
wanna
banned, right?
argue with you.
All right, so just
How
look at
about
her and
you
tell
guys
her.
back away from me? I call who I have to
So
call.
just tell her.
You do your business.
Yes.
Thank you. In the name of Jesus, please get away from
Ma'am,
me. No,
can you listen?
get away from me because you said he doesn't know who to call.
No,
Back
no,
away.
you said you're calling your husband.
You don't know who to call.
That's it. You're under arrest.
Oh, God.
Stop.
Lord,
You're not going to put your hands in my face. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Come on.
Stop resisting. Just stop resisting. Just stop.
Behind your back. Come on.
I'm a nurse. I can't breathe.
Put your hands back. Got it? One, two, right? There you go.
Stand up.
Stand up.
Yep. Come on, stand up.
Stand up. Stand up.
Stand up.
Come on.
There you go.
Didn't have to go down like this.
No, it didn't.
You got another charge on you.
That's
For assault of a
fine.
police officer.
That's
There you go.
fine.
I'm gonna get more guys here.
Stand up. Stand up.
Stand the away.
Stand up.
The second person.
I received Bravo.
Stand up. Stand up.
About me.
Let's go. Stand.
No.
Stand
don't
up.
touch, sir. Please, sir, don't touch me.
And Bravo 8, get over as well.
What?
Somebody was the club. He got
Bravo
pulled
8 is
in.
trying to get your phone over to AMC.
What's that? I'm sorry.
Yeah,
We know, we know. Are you gonna get up?
Let's go. Stand
No,
up.
don't
Okay.
touch me. Call whoever you gotta call.
Bravo
I'm not calling anyone.
Call whoever the you gotta call on that mother radio.
Okay.
Call them.
Okay.
You don't want to stand up?
No,
Well, you're gonna get up.
I won't.
Okay, we'll just drag you out of here. It's fine by me.
Call whoever the you gotta call.
I don't have to call anybody.
You do, but call who you gotta call.
It's all right. You're already under
Call
arrest.
whoever you gotta call.
And you have
Call whoever you gotta call.
Okay, that's nice.
If you put your hands on me,
Yeah.
you don't
That's
know
what's
who the
gonna
fuck
happen.
I know.
Okay, that's
You don't know who the fuck
Call
I
your
know.
husband.
Call, I will call whoever on me.
Stop.
Do not put your call in. Call EMS. Whoever the you gotta call. Don't
Stop
put
kicking.
your hands on
Stop
me.
kicking and stop spitting.
You fake ass paramedic mother.
Stop.
Y'all not running fucking cops. Y'all didn't go to school like me, mother.
Stop.
Get the off me.
You just spit us and you kicked at us. Stop.
Get the off me.
Alright, well,
Get the off me.
you
Calm down. We'll get off you.
I swear to God on my dead uncle, y'all better get the off me.
Get off you.
I don't give a about
Stop.
none of that talking about. Get the off
Stop.
me.
And stop.
Get the off me.
Stop.
I don't give a what color I am. I'm black, I'm brown, I'm purple. Get the off me. Get the off
okay with her?
me.
Yeah, we're fine. Yeah.
For 9, this is her aid.
Get off my
Stop.
grill. My friend at the grill. Get the off me. Get the off me.
Right here.
I'm gonna wipe all that spit on
Get
camera.
the this is my brother is here.
You're upset? Can we calm down for him? He's...
Nobody to tell me. No.
Ma'am, calm down. Hey, listen, we're gonna walk out to the police car, okay?
No, please don't spit me.
No, we're not. Listen,
Please don't spit me. Don't lie on me. I would never spit on nobody. Leave me up. You're
Nobody's
lying.
spitting.
No, get the I never spit.
You
But
spit
I
on
want
it.
you to get up the off my head.
Okay, then we're gonna-
What the North PD?
Okay,
the
stand-
Camden PD. The mother that been with the been through. What the
Walk her back. Walk her back. Stop. You're gonna get sprayed. You're gonna get pepper sprayed.
Go this way. Go this way.
You're gonna get sprayed.
You bite me. Are you kidding me?
Sprayer.
Mother. Ah, that hurt.
Get her up. Okay.
Wait. You okay?
Yeah. We got some strong guys here. Don't worry. Sit down.
Sit down.
Sit down.
Why you gotta be?
Just make sure we're constantly monitoring her.
You wanted to be a confidence. This is not why I want to be a nurse.
This is gonna be an inbound.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so we
See that on.
we can't bring her to headquarters first.
Okay.
I never wanted to be a nurse.
I know.
But why can't we bring her to their process then?
You think she's gonna stand and get fingerprinted?
I swear to God I will. I'm a dead uncle.
She hasn't done anything we've said.
Ladonna, step over here, please. How are you? Have you been here before?
No.
Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol?
No.